welcome back to the channel. Right behind me I have a package right there. I call that package More Power. More power, baby. We're gonna head home, we're gonna put this on the car, and yeah, gonna see how much more power we'll make. Before we go into the engine bay, there's one thing I want to address first, and that's this. This is the AC filter, and I want to put this in, take the old one out. Even though the air in the car feels very clean, feels very cool, but this is something that you need to change very often because you don't want what's outside to be coming on you inside the car, and you want to stay healthy, right? So we're going to change this filter and put in a fresh one. So it lives right under the dashboard. Hopefully I can figure out how to remove it. Yeah, I think this thing is what holding it up. So I'm gonna, it has some clips. I'm gonna figure out how to, that's one. How much clips? How much clip it have? 2. Well, this is easy. 3. How much in it? More. That's it. And then what else to do under here now? I have to go up under here. Look, guys, let me pause the video for a minute. Alright, so I figured it out, guys. So it comes out very easy. This one is not bad. Well, yeah, a little dusty around here. So a little dusty, but it's not bad. I'll put it in. Let's see, I'll knock it out right here. Yeah, see some dust there, yeah man. Yeah man, bye. Brand new one going in. Alright, everything is back in the original spot. So guys, make sure you change your AC filter. Very, very important, because 90% of you guys use AC every day, non-stop. So change your AC filter. Worse like taxis that has so many different people going through it. Change the filter. Alright, so let's on to the main thing for the day. I know I told you guys that I'm done modifying the car, but we can consider this a service item. Let's open the box. I want to thank you guys for your continuous support. Thank you for watching the content, and sometimes I post a content before, like I shoot videos like right after the other, so sometimes I make a video before I even post the other video. So if you don't see me comment some of the times, guys, or if you don't see me answer to some of the comments, don't feel any way. You know, just trying to make as many videos, and you know, sometimes, you know, people link me and say and tell me, you know, what people are saying and all that stuff. So if you don't see me responding, don't feel any way. And whatever you guys see me use and you want to use it as well, you can reach out. Eventually I will see the comment, you know, and I will, you know, point you guys in that direction. But a lot of these things are not sponsored, so I don't want to like just give out free advertisement. But sometimes just for you guys, you know, just so you guys know what I'm using, I will put up stuff on the video. So I may have lied a little bit earlier. I don't think this will make the car. I mean, it should, right? Air intake, guys. The air intake. Is it going to make the car faster? It will make the car breathe better, but we don't know if it's going to make it faster. We should do a start before and rev the car and see how it sounds without this, and see if it actually makes a difference. Let's do that. let's get to work. Remove these the same way. We're not going to be moving too much, just this. Alright. Then these two clips. Out with the old. Gonna go in with the new. There's plastic. Oops. So this is gonna make the car breathe. I'll make sure there's nothing inside it. Just like it come out. Sure. That was upside down. I know a lot of you guys were like, yo, Asafa, you're putting it upside down. You're putting the thing upside down. I probably need to put a little oil around here, lube it up a little bit so it can slide in easy. Let's try that again. Tight, alright, I'm gonna pull this part. Right, hot. While we work on the Audi, let's have this car smelling fresh. That. I wonder if I should start it like this and hear how it sound first. Alright, I'm gonna do a very fair comparison. I didn't aftermarket intake filter sound check. So guys, I couldn't tell the difference, but we have a factory air filter out, we have an aftermarket one in and in the bin. So I don't know if it makes a difference. I guess we just have to go for like a test drive and see if it makes a difference. I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching guys. We're gonna go for a test drive, but Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't just watch the videos. Hit the like button. It's free. I know most of you guys don't really like when people tell you guys what to do, but just support the channel. Just hit the like button. Alright? Roll on your window a little bit. Oh gosh. There might be a slight chance I got 5 more horsepower. Guys, that's just wishful thinking. I don't know. But when we get to Vernon Field, maybe if I run 14.3, then I know we gain 5 to 8 horsepower. I don't know. I don't know what gains these intake filters have, but I know they clean up the power a little bit, you know, make the engine flow a lot better. So let's just hope, guys. Thanks for watching again. Yeah man, everything seems a bit crispy.